How to face lather the perfect lather. First, wet your face. Now, take any shave cream or shave soap and the brush of your choice, whether it be synthetic or natural hair. Dip your brush in the water. Remove the excess water and start loading your brush for about 20 seconds. Now, start painting it on your face. Now take your shave brush and just dip the tips of your brush into the water and hydrate your lather. And this is perfect for shaving, but we're going for the perfect lather. So dip your brush again and let's keep hydrating. Paint it smooth and then dip it again. And we're just going to keep adding water. Smooth your lather out and dip again. And we're going to repeat this 738 times, or maybe just 7 times. Check your peaks. They're not quite dropping yet. Let's keep going. Más agua, por favor. All right, let's test this lather again. Now they're falling. That is a righteous lather. Sir, you can grab your razor and start shaving.